Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel PJ Tech World. If you are not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe for more videos. Alright, so today I am going to show you how to host a static website using AWS Amplify. So this is not point. Before we begin, you must have website code with you. You should prepare your website code before going to start this demo. So let's get started. So this is my AWS console. I'm logging with my root account. So now go to AWS Amplify console. So to go to AWS Amplify console, type here Amplify. It will show you AWS Amplify. So click on this AWS Amplify. So this is AWS Amplify console. So this is a place where we can host our static website. So click on this get started. Here there are two options. One is app for backend, one is for web app. So by using this AWS Amplify, we can host backend as well as static website, nothing but web apps. So today I am going to show you how to host a web app, nothing but static website. So to do that, click on this get started. Click on get started. So here you have to select your code location, so where your code has been saved. So if your code is in GitHub, select this option. If your code is in Bitbucket, select Bitbucket. If your code is in GitLab, select Git. If your code is in Code Commit, these are all our Git providers. So if your code is in other than these Git providers, you have to select deploy with Git provider. So my code is in my computer, so I'm going with deploy without Git provider. So select this deploy without Git provider and click on continue. So here you have to give a name to your application, like website, to identification purpose. So you can give any name, otherwise by default AWS will give you one name, one default name. So I'm giving my first web app, and here we have to my first web app, and here I have to select environment. This is also identification purpose, so I'm giving dev environment. This is my dev environment. So here you have to import your code. Here next is you have to import your code by selecting any one of these three methods. So if your code is in your computer, you have to select drag and drop. If your code is in Amazon S3, select Amazon S3. If your code is in any URL, like if your code is in Dropbox, so OneDrive, then you can select this option. You can give that your code URL here. So my code is in my computer, so I am going with drag and drop option. Then you have to click on this choose files. But before that, this will accept only zip files. You have to make your complete code, but you have to make your complete code into zip file. Then you have to click on this choose files. Then you have to select your zip file. So let me make my code files into a zip file. So I'm going to my code file location. So this is my computer. So in this I have my code. This is my code folder, parent folder, my web app. In this I have the basic HTML code. It's a basic static HTML code. So you have to make your complete code into a zip file. So to do that, select all your code files. First you have to go to your parent folder, then select all your code files, right click and go to send to, and select here, click on compress zip file. You have to give any name like index or my code, something like that, any code. So you have to make your code into a zip file like this, but you should not like this. So go to your you should not like this I'm showing. So you should not like selecting parent folder and directly you should not do like this, compress. You should not make your parent folder into zip file. You have to go to into your parent folder, then you have to select all files, then you have to make zip file, otherwise you will be you will get few errors. So you should not like that. You have to go to into your parent folder, then you have to select all files, then you have to make zip file. So my zip file has been ready. This is my zip file. So now go to AWS console. So now click on choose files. So yeah, so this is my code file, my parent folder. Go to this, inside this parent folder, this is my code zip file. So select this one, click on open. So my code zip file has been selected. Now click on save and deploy. So it will take just a few seconds to deploy. So deploying, so code has been deploying. Now you can see code deployment successfully completed, means code has been deployed. You can see your website using this domain. So AWS will provide default domain, so you can view your code, you can visit your website using this domain. Just right click on this domain, open in a new tab. That's it. See, this is my code. So I just given one logo and welcome to PJ Tech World. This is my channel name. So that's it. So like this you can deploy, you can host any static website using AWS Amplify. If you make any changes into your code, you can again click on choose files, you can select again your zip file, updated zip file. This is how you can host your website using AWS Amplify. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do like, and if you have any queries on this video, please put your queries in comment section. Thank you for watching.